All right, well, just summited. Yeah, very top. Now let's go look at some of the views here. What is up, guys? I'm currently standing at the peak of Panorama Ridge in Garibaldi Provincial Park. And in this video, I'm going to be showcasing the full climb to the top. I'm going to be showcasing the summit. But yeah, this is a really cool hike off of Garibaldi Provincial Park. So stay tuned, follow along. Okay, we're in the parking lot of the hike. The weather is absolutely beautiful. We're feeling good about this hike. We're locked in, we're ready. We've trained for this. Let's do this. Just a quick note, only 1.2% of you guys are subscribed, so please subscribe and help me out. Starting elevation gain, not too bad. Definitely easier than some other hikes I've done in BC. Now I've been hiking about 10 kilometers. It's time for a little lunch break. I should be having some electrolytes in my water bottle. Just gotta shake that up real good. We have a lovely chicken sandwich for lunch. While we're eating lunch, we managed to befriend a friendly little whiskey jack. He was super curious, and we weren't even feeding him. He was just eating out of his hand. Once we got about 15 kilometers into the hike, we hit the snow layer at about 1,200 meters elevation. Nothing like a little bit of natural water, the way God intended it. That's both of us did. No! I could have got so much work. Oh, this summit is proving to be a lot more challenging than I expected. Almost there. The peak is in sight. We're so close. The end is in sight. So close. Yeah, the final push is very steep. Up to the top. Almost there. Almost at the top. Red ravens. It's horrifying. Okay. Yeah, almost at the top. Last 10 feet. Whew. There, boom. That is the summit of Panorama Ridge right there. See Black Tusk over there. We're met with a spectacular view. Garibaldi Lake, Black Tusk. Unfortunately, I did not have time to switch to horizontal mode. I did manage to get a vertical video of this pilot coming over, and he came over and he did something absolutely cool. Yo! What an absolute legend. We have Black Tusk Mountain. Wow, this is cool. We got Garibaldi Lake.
Oh, dude, that was